All right, back to business with Paul from Business in Vancouver, and just had the announcement from the Bank of Canada keeping the key rate at 1%, Paul. So the Canadian dollar has been dropping in recent weeks.
That's
and,
right.
And continues to do so this morning. I'm not sure what the current number is, but it's down about 0.4, has been down about 0.4 of a cent this morning.
Yeah, certainly. We saw the dollar fall after the bank's announcement, but it's going to keep its benchmark interest rate at 1% yet again. I mean, certainly we saw it in Q4 that the economy in Canada grew at a tiny pace of just 0.6%. So that's obviously concerning them. And whilst they expect to see growth in 2013 from the economy, from a recovery in exports gradually, from a slight increase in household spending, and of course from some business investment, they do feel concerned that the continuing uncertainty in the States, the ongoing recession in Europe, and of course and the fact that the kind of global economy is only really just sort of ticking over, leads them to feel that leaving it at 1% will help them drive, help the economy increase slightly, and hopefully we'll see things improve.
Well, how much longer would you expect it to remain steady at this rate?
I would say at least for the rest of this year. I mean, that would be my sense of things. Partly because we are seeing some sort of a few signs of improvement, but ultimately the economy is just sort of moving along very slowly. Exports have improved. If a dollar reducing its value will of course help exports if it continues that way, because of course it'll make them more cost effective. But ultimately, I think this is a sign that they feel very cautious about the prospects for 2013, and I would say with good reason.
Would there be a concern with continuing low interest rates, Paul, about the level of borrowing, the level of debt Canadians are continuing to take on?
It's very much a possibility, but of course I suppose they're taking a gamble that by keeping the rates low, they will help stimulate growth in the first place, and that'll help investment from businesses. And that will help improve the picture overall. But you're right. It's a bit of they're taking a gamble on it.
Well, Mark Harney's leaving anyway.
Yes, right.
Thanks very much, Paul.
Thanks, Sophie.
You can get more on Business in Vancouver's website, BIV.com.